Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to create a Gmail account. So let's begin the tutorial. We begin by typing Gmail into the Google search bar. Click on the first website. Then click the Create Account button. The sign up form will appear. Follow the directions by entering the required information. I'll show you an example of how to fill out those forms. Fill in your first and last names. The username will be your Gmail account. Now, your password must be 8 characters long and contain a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. I'm using a symbol, numbers, caps, and lowercase letters, which is the best thing you could do for your password. Once you've finished typing in your password, you can check it to see if there were any typos or make a note of it in case you forget it. Click Next. Choose your country and simply enter your phone number to proceed with creating this secure Gmail account. After that, you will receive a Google verification code. You can either copy and paste or manually type the verification code from your phone. Then click Verify. Now that you have verified, you can use your phone number or delete it for now if you don't want it. Recovery email is the same thing. Adding your recovery email is optional, but I highly recommend it. Fill in your birthday now. It is highly recommended that you use your actual birthday, but for the purposes of this example, I will use a fake birthday. Select your gender and then click Next. If you added your phone number, this message will appear and will serve as a recovery phone number, so click Yes, I'm in. Scroll down and select I agree. We'll just wait for this to load up and then we'll be ready with our Gmail account. With a Gmail account, we can do a lot of things. For example, even if you don't create YouTube videos, you can subscribe to and get stuff from YouTube channels. I hope the tutorial was simple for you to follow, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, as well as leave a comment below if you need any help. Thank you for taking the time to watch the tutorial.